Hi, welcome to HardReset.Info. In this video I'm going to show you how to factory reset Samsung Galaxy SmartTag 2 without the smartphone. So at the very beginning you should eject the battery. To do that you should have your ejection tool. So insert your ejection tool in this tiny hole and then push it a bit. And now you can remove the battery. Firstly, fully remove the battery, wait for about 2 seconds. Then insert it, but not for the whole way, right, in this way. Then press and hold the button, because your SmartTag had the button right here. So press and hold this button, and then insert the battery and still hold it. We will wait for several beep sounds. So wait a while. This was the first beep sound. Second one. Third one. And that was the sound we are waiting for. That's it. Hope I helped. Please consider to leave a like and a comment below this video. And see you in the next video. Bye.